Hey everyone, welcome back. So today we are going to discuss another LeetCode problem statement, that is contain duplicates part 2. It's a LeetCode 219 problem statement of easy category. So here you have given array and the value of k. So what you have to do, you just have to find whether you have any duplicates or not. If there is any duplicate, what will be the absolute distance? If the absolute distance is less than the given value of k, then you just have to return true or else false. So in this example, you can see 1, 2, 3 and 1, and the value of k is 3. So what you have to do? So here you can see there is two ones. So what will happen if you will calculate the absolute value? Let's say this is I and this is j. So it will be 3 minus 0, it will be 3, which is equal to the value of k. In that case, we just have to return true. So let me quickly jump to the board and we will discuss the approach which we have to follow here. Okay, in order to solve this problem statement, we are going to use HashMap. So the first thing what you have to do, whatever array, nums of array we have given, so let me quickly write it down, and parallelly let me create one hash map. This hash map will hold key and value. Both key and value will be of integer type. Index will start from 0 and it will go up to the length minus 1. So first you are iterating at this index, 0th index, and you have to check whether this 1 is present or not in the given map. It is not present, so what you have to do, you just have to insert the key, that is the value. Along with that, the value will be of index. Then again you have to increment the value, and once you will come at this position, 2 is not present, so you just have to insert 2, along with that its index number. Again 3, this is not present, so we will insert along with its index number. Now again this 1 is there, right? So we have already present 1 in the map. So what we will do, we will just calculate the length, absolute length. So how? The current index, that is 3, minus the one's value which is already present in the map, that will be 0. This is coming as 3. So in this case, what you have to do, you just have to compare this value with the k. In this case, the value of k is 3. This should be either less than or equal to the value of k. In this case, we just have to return true. So let me check another example for the same. So in this case, we'll consider this one. Okay. So let me quickly verify this example as well. Now again, the first step is we will create one hash map and we will store key and value. Key will be of integer and value will be of integer. So let me quickly write this one. 1, 2 and 3. Index will start from 0 and it will go up to the length minus 1. 1 is not present in the map, so we will insert 1 along with its index. 2 is not present, so we will insert 2 along with its index. 3 is not present, so we will insert this 3 along with its index. Now in the very next step, 1 is already present. Here the value of k is 2. 1 is already present. So what we'll see, what is the current index, that is 3. So 3 minus, and what is value present in map, that is 0. So this will come 3. 3 minus 0, 3, whether it's less than or equal to 2. In this case the condition is false, so we will not consider this and we will increment the value. Again we'll see whether this 2, the index for this 2 is 4 and here we have 1. So what will be the absolute value? 4 minus 1, that is 3, which is again the condition is false, so it will not return true. So at the end, wherever it matches, right, from there itself we will return true, or else in the end we will return false. So let me quickly jump to the board and we'll write the code for the same. As we have discussed, the first thing which we are going to use is map. Along with the key and value, both will be of integer type. I am declaring a hash map over here. And as we have discussed, we just have to start the iteration. Index will start from 0 and it will go up to the nums dot length, less than that. Okay. Every time it will keep on incrementing. Now, if map contains this particular key, which key? Nums of I, this will be your key, then we have to do some sort of operation. Else what we will do, every time we'll keep on updating the value for this along with its index. So it will be nums of I and whatever value we will have, that will be your index. Now, if it is there in the map, then what we will do, we will get the value. How we will get the value? By using get method of map. So we will use nums of I. Now you just have to check if the value, means you have to calculate the absolute value, right? It means I minus value. If this value is less than equal to k, in that case we will return true from here itself, or else at the end we will return false. So let me quickly execute this code and we'll see whether it's working properly or not. Okay, so all the three test cases passed successfully. Let me submit this solution. Okay, so all the 65 test cases passed successfully, and this is the process which we have to follow in order to solve this problem statement. If you like the video, do subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your day.